Hi everyone, welcome to episode 2 of Homes with Maria Turbett, where you are the heart of the home. I'm your host, Maria Turbett, licensed real estate agent with Coldwell Banker Realty, serving the Twin Cities metro and surrounding areas. On today's episode, we are going to be demoing how to build in your garage a storage system for your lawn tools and for your sports equipment, such as basketballs and footballs, baseballs, and the like. Can't wait to show you the progress. Hope you enjoy.
It's not so bad. Took a minute to figure out, but it'll work. Really like these to go in there too, but I don't know if it's gonna go.
Thank you so much for joining us for another episode of Homes with Maria Turbett. If you liked this episode, please comment or share. And as always, please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to follow, or you can follow me on Facebook at Maria Turbett Realty. Thanks so much. Stay healthy.